What evidence do you need for a senior discrimination complaint? Imagine facing unfair treatment just because of your age. It can be frustrating, but knowing what proof to gather can make all the difference when filing a complaint. When it comes to age discrimination, especially under elder law, you need to show that your age was a key reason for the unfair action. This means collecting evidence that proves you belong to a protected age group, usually people aged 40 years or older, and that you experienced an adverse action like being fired, demoted, denied a promotion, or harassed. But it's not enough to just say it happened. You need proof that shows your age played a role. One of the strongest types of evidence is direct proof. This includes statements, emails, or remarks from supervisors or coworkers that clearly indicate age bias. For example, comments like, "We want someone younger," or questions about your retirement plans during a job interview are direct evidence. These kinds of remarks leave little doubt about the bias involved. Another useful type of evidence is comparative proof. This involves showing that younger employees in similar roles or situations received better treatment. For instance, if younger coworkers with similar skills were promoted or kept on the job while you were not, this supports your claim. It helps demonstrate that age was likely a factor in the decision. Circumstantial evidence can also be powerful. This includes patterns or circumstances that suggest discrimination. Examples are being fired shortly before becoming eligible for a pension, inconsistent reasons given for adverse actions, or a history of younger employees being favored over older ones. Such patterns can help build your case even if there are no explicit remarks. Keep detailed records of your qualifications and performance. Save copies of your resumes, performance reviews, awards, or commendations that show you met or exceeded job requirements. If your employer claims performance issues, having proof of your good work can counter that. Creating a timeline of events is very helpful. Write down dates and descriptions of each incident related to discrimination. This helps establish a clear sequence and context for your complaint. Also, gather evidence of your employer's policies or practices that might show a pattern of age bias, like statistical data indicating older workers are often overlooked. If you faced retaliation after raising concerns about age discrimination, gather evidence of this as well. This could include emails, notes, or witness statements showing adverse actions taken after your complaints. Practical steps include saving all relevant communications such as emails, texts, or notes from meetings. Document any age-related comments from supervisors or human resources staff. Collect information about who was hired, promoted, or retained, including their ages and qualifications. Keep copies of job postings and descriptions to compare with your own qualifications. And always record any efforts you made to resolve issues internally before filing a formal complaint. From an elder law perspective, it's vital to carefully preserve this evidence. Proper documentation can make your case stronger and help protect your rights. Consulting with a legal professional early on can guide you on what evidence is most important and how to gather it effectively. In short, the key evidence for a senior discrimination complaint includes direct statements of bias, comparisons showing younger employees received better treatment, documentation of your qualifications, a detailed timeline of events, and proof of retaliation if applicable. Collecting and organizing this evidence creates a solid foundation for your complaint and helps advocate for your rights as a senior.